Welcome to the Network by Area Academy. My name's Lee, and today I'm going to be taking you through a longer men's haircut using horizontal graduation. As you can see, Will has quite overgrown hair with very little natural volume. The look I'm aiming to achieve here is a mid-length, versatile haircut, retaining weight through graduation and maximising texture. This look can be worn out and around the face, or tucked away behind the ears. It's important here to choose the correct techniques to get the desired result. I will start by assessing the hairlines, head shape and face shape. Will has great bone structure and balance when it comes to face shape. The first step is to spray down the hair for an evenly damp surface. I like to cut long hair while it's damp for maximum control and efficiency. Let's move on to creating the section pattern. I'm choosing a section pattern which resonates with my goal, to retain weight and maximise texture. I will begin by splitting the head through the centre. Then I will make a section from the crown of the head to behind the ear. I'm going to take a deep V zone from the crown to the recession points of the head. This will allow me to have a feature point of the haircut, which will allow versatility. I then created a zone horizontally, just above the occipital bone. This breaks the head down into bite-sized pieces for better control and visibility. I'm going to start by razor cutting my first section near the nape. I'm choosing a length which will retain density but equally be manageable for Will. The horizontal shape of this cutting line is square. This will retain a little more length behind the ears as I am cutting on a round surface. Each subsequent section will be over-directed to the last, creating a triangular shape vertically. This is called graduation. To see more like this, you can browse through our online resource library at thenetwork.education.